Thought for the day. The way you talk to yourself creates your reality.
Welcome to 7 Minutes for Yourself. I'm Christina Aina, and I'm so glad you've joined me for what I believe will be 7 of the most enriching minutes of your day. Let's take this time to reconnect with ourselves and improve our well-being.
In today's episode of 7 Minutes for Yourself, we explore various types of self-talk and discover how to utilize them effectively. Have a listen.
Today we're diving into the realm of self-talk, your mind's own language. We're about to uncover the ways it can elevate your life or drag you down, and most importantly, how to turn it into a motivational powerhouse. Ready? Let's jump right in. Step 1, we need to identify the negative self-talk. Picture this. You're in the midst of pursuing your goals, pushing yourself to new limits, when suddenly a voice creeps into your mind whispering doubts and insecurities. We all engage in self-talk, and it's a normal part of being human. But here's the kicker. Negative self-talk can be a sneaky little saboteur, silently chipping away at your confidence and holding you back from reaching your true potential. It's time to shine a spotlight on this culprit and learn how to spot it in action. From the "I'm not good enough" to the dreaded "I'm never going to amount to anything" is an issue that needs to be taken seriously. This form of negative self-talk can lead to emotional ill-being, but did you know that it can also hinder physical performance? Studies have shown that when we engage in negative self-talk, we activate areas of the brain associated with fear, anxiety, and stress responses. These negative emotions can cause our bodies to tense up, leading to decreased flexibility, coordination, and overall performance. But it doesn't stop there. When we consistently feed ourselves negative messages, we start to internalize them, leading to a decrease in self-confidence and a lack of belief in our own abilities. This self-doubt can be a significant barrier to pushing ourselves to achieve our goals and performing at our best. So the impact of negative self-talk on us is multifaceted. It affects our physical state by increasing tension and decreasing coordination, while also undermining our mental state by impairing focus and motivation. Understanding this connection is the first step in breaking free from the limitations imposed by negative self-talk and unleashing our true potential. Identifying negative self-talk begins with tuning into your inner dialogue. By paying close attention to your thoughts and jotting them down in a journal, you can gain insights into the nature of your self-talk. It's this practice of journaling, a powerful tool for self-awareness, that can help you spot and address negativity in your thoughts. Step 2, switching to positive self-talk. Once you've got a handle on negative self-talk, it's time to flip the script. We do this by using affirmations, which are positive statements that you constantly reinforce within yourself, like, "I can achieve my goals," "I am strong and confident," or "Success is within my reach." The trick is to use uplifting language that bolsters your self-esteem and drives you into action. By reframing negative thoughts, you can shift your mindset from one of defeat to one of possibility. In a study from 2013, scientists found that positive self-talk can help us be more successful in anything we do. It's like we're remodeling our brains. Using specific words like saying your own name instead of "I" can help you feel more confident and less anxious. There are many ways to improve your self-talk, like writing down things you're grateful for, avoiding comparing yourself to others, using positive words, being around positive people, setting goals, exercising, helping others, and imagining yourself succeeding. It takes practice to get better at self-talk, but recognizing when you're being too hard on yourself is a good first step. You can be your own biggest supporter. If you're trying to make self-talk more positive, creating your own toolkit can be a big help. This toolkit can be packed with stuff like affirmations, visualization exercises, and feel-good quotes or mantras that click with you. Having these tools handy, you can take any negative self-talk and give it a positive twist. A toolkit we recommend comes from today's sponsor, Intelligent Change. They design products that help you realize your potential and live a happier, more fulfilling life. One product that Intelligent Change creates is their amazing 5-minute journal. Imagine this journal as a toothbrush for your mind, designed to help you start and end your day happier in just 5 minutes a day. The 5-minute journal relies on principles of positive psychology. This gratitude journal isn't just about feeling good. It helps in personal growth, emotional intelligence, building meaningful relationships, and boosting your productivity. It's easy to use, and it's the most consistent daily journaling practice tool you can get. Plus, it only takes 5 minutes a day. Even if you've never tried journaling before, or if you've had trouble staying consistent in the past, it's a practical approach to improving your mental well-being. What's more, it can boost self-esteem and confidence by encouraging you to acknowledge your strengths and accomplishments. Another product we recommend is their Mindful Affirmations. affirmations. These are positive statements that help rewire negative beliefs and thought patterns. They allow you to center on life's delights and possibilities instead of dwelling on doubts and limitations. Embracing and believing these affirmations can trigger a transformation in your thought processes and emotional state. By focusing on positive affirmations, you can amplify self-awareness and cultivate a positive mindset. You can integrate them into your daily routine or use them during times of stress or uncertainty, leading to enduring benefits for your mental and emotional well-being. And as a cherry on top, they come with a simple, beautiful beechwood stand that enhances any part of your space. So if you're on a journey to improve your mindset and switch to more positive self-talk, consider these two powerful tools from Intelligent Change. You might be surprised by the transformation they can bring to your life. Check out the link in the description box below for more details. And finally, we have Step 3, Visualization. Need an extra help to reinforce that positive self-talk without it feeling awkward? Visualization techniques can also be a powerful tool for reinforcing positive self-talk and visualizing success. Did you know that mental practice can be almost as effective as physical practice? Researchers have found that our thoughts produce the same mental instructions as actions. This means that you can use your imagination to practice skills in your mind and improve your performance. Visualization can enhance motivation, increase confidence, and self-efficacy, priming the brain for success and increasing the state of flow. Athletes like Tiger Woods and Jack Nicklaus have been using visualization since the 1970s to improve their performance. But it's not just for athletes. Visualization has also helped people like Matthew Nagel, who's paralyzed in all 4 limbs. He was able to control a robotic arm after just 4 days of mental practice. So how can you use visualization in your own life? Start by establishing a specific goal. It could be something like doing well on a test or learning a new skill. Then hold a mental picture of achieving that goal. Imagine yourself doing it successfully and how it feels. Engage all 5 senses by imagining what you see, hear, smell, taste, and feel. The more vivid and detailed your visualization is, the better. This will not only strengthen the mental training, but also is a great way to affirm yourself without speaking out loud for the shy starters. It's important to note that while self-talk and visualization can be powerful tools for improving mental health and performance, sometimes professional help is needed. If negative self-talk is interfering with your daily life, or if you have underlying mental health concerns that need to be addressed, seeking professional help is a smart choice. In summary, harnessing the power of self-talk can transform your life by becoming aware of negative self-talk, practicing positive self-talk, using visualization techniques, creating a self-talk toolkit, and knowing when to seek professional help. You can train your mind to be your greatest ally. So start today by becoming more aware of your self-talk and begin shifting negative thoughts into positive ones.
That concludes today's episode of 7 Minutes for Yourself. Please take a moment to rate and review the show on Apple Podcasts. Today and every day with your kiddo is a gift. Enjoy it. Thanks for tuning in.